back to the channel, and I'm so excited about this video. I've got the new Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am really excited about this. So if you are, let's get into this video, and be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below for more new product reviews just like this one. And I just really want to just dive right into this and start playing around. So here's what the palette looks like in the inside. It is just all kinds of bright colors. There with the brush. It just like screams summer to me. Like legit is like summer is here. And I'm really excited about it. And so I just really want to just go ahead and swatch every color for you guys. So the first one here is Sails, which is just a like pretty white shade. The next one is called Yacht. Really pretty, gold. The next one is called Seashells, which is this stunning blue color. The next one is called Paul Remo. I am pronouncing that terrible. It's a very pretty pink. The next one is called Seaside, which is a stunning silver with almost like a purpley shift to it. The next one is called Inheritance, which is a very bright gold. The next one is called Mediterranean, which is a pretty blue. So those are all of the shimmers in the palette. Moving on to some of the matte shades. I don't think I'm going to be able to swatch them all, so I'm going to swatch just a few of them. This one is called Cabana. It's a really pretty, like, almost deep mustard yellow color. And then we'll go into Bahamas, which is that stunning hot pink shade. And then we'll end with Cans, which is that beautiful purple shade. Those are all of the swatches. They all swatched really well. So I am like feeling these bright colors in this palette. So let's see. I think I'm gonna do a really pretty, I was thinking a pink look, but then I'm thinking no, let's go cool tones. Let's go the blues and the purples. So I think I'm just gonna dive into the cane shade, which is the purple one. And I'm just gonna go in with my fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna actually work that into the crease and kind of take it high onto the brow bone a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take more of an angle brush and go ahead and work some of that purple on down here to the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna really do the, like, I'm thinking like a super blown out like look. This purple actually reminds me of the Zulu palette. That purple in that palette is a really good purple. Okay, then I'm going to go into this Mediterranean shade, which is that blue right here in the corner of the palette. And I'm just going to see how these shimmers work, like not dampen. Like it really picked up a lot of product. And I'm just gonna place that here into my outer corner, which I'm having a crazy ton amount of fallout, which maybe I picked up too much on the brush, but that is a lot of fallout. And then I'm gonna go into this shade called Seashells, which was that really pretty aqua blue, and I'm going to just put that into the inner corner. These shades have a lot of fallout, these shimmer shades do. So I think for sure I need to dampen my brush, but I'm just gonna use my finger. And then I'm just kind of blending those two colors together. Even like with my finger, I'm having a lot of fallout. Like it's like the look is looking really pretty, but man, this fallout is bad. Anyways, I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit more purple and kind of blend in the colors. Then for the inner corner, I want to go into the gold shade and just place that right into that inner corner. Okay, I went ahead and dampened my brush with this gold shade, and it is applying a whole lot better. Yep. Dampen the brush. So, I think we're gonna call it quits before I have much more fallout and my face turns completely blue. So overall, my thoughts about this palette, I think it's really good. You know, it's a $48 palette. The only thing I am a little bit disappointed in is the fallout with the shimmer shades, the matte shades. The purple that I used, which was the only matte shade I used, is really good. Like, it's spot on. Like, I feel like these mattes in this palette are going to be really good. The shimmers, you are going to have to wet your brush to apply them. Sometimes I don't like that method because then it can almost like make your shimmer shades like kind of in the palette. It kind of like makes them change a little bit. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But sometimes I don't like wetting my brush, and even when I applied with my finger, I still had some fallout going on, so that's a little bit disappointing. But overall, I feel like the shades really are really pigmented, really good. They are not patchy or nothing. So overall, I really do feel like it is a good palette. I do just wish it didn't have as much fallout, but I'm going to go ahead and say I would recommend going and picking this up if you're wanting to like add that like bright colored palette to your collection, or if you are just an ABH like fan. So guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and added some mascara, liner, and then a little bit of my blue Koki pencil liner and my waterline to just add a little bit of another color of blue in there. So I really do like the way this look turned out. So yeah guys, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.